Okay, now we're good.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to my channel. Today I just got back to college a couple hours ago. I'm in my dorm and I wanted to show you my getting the semester started, getting unpacked routine. I have a bunch of clothes to unpack. I need to fill out my planner for the year and I think I might even go walk my classes. Maybe. We'll see how much time we have. But I just kind of wanted to show y'all what my routine looks like when I'm getting back used to everything. You know. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe down below. But I'm going to show you my routine. So as you can tell, I have a bunch of stuff everywhere. So I have, this has my yoga mat and a bunch of camera equipment. That's my lighting and stuff. And then I've got a huge suitcase full of stuff. My jacket on this bag is full of all their coats and stuff. I've got my backpack and just all this stuff I need to clean up. So I think what I'm gonna do is start with just maybe, I guess I'm gonna start with the suitcase because that's the biggest thing. And then I'll go from there and I'll show you what all I have to do. I also have snack food in here and you can see a tripod. There's just a bunch of random stuff. Oh, camera bag. But yeah. Oh my gosh. Are you filming me?
Yeah, you're my 1 second.
Oh, that's so cute. Ashley's hanging out with me while I unpack because it's kind of nice to catch up with your friends. Yes, and she also is helping me film because she's an angel. Thanks. Y'all, this suitcase, I can't even put it so you can this. Oh my gosh. This is the heaviest suitcase I've ever packed in my life. So basically, oh gosh, if Mary shows up, my door is right here. It's okay, we're gonna unpack, we're gonna be good. I just got this the other day, y'all. It's this romper thing in the front and long skirt in the back, and the pattern is wild and crazy, and it just makes me think of Ashley. I just think she'd wear it. I think you'd wear it well, Ashley.
I know you're gonna wear it well, so it's good.
Aw, sweet, good friends. Okay, so I just finished unpacking this suitcase, so everything that was in it is now hanging up, or I also, it's a mess right now, don't look at that. I say don't look at it as I show you, sorry guys. So then I put a bunch of stuff in my drawers. I have a couple more things to put in the closet, but now I have random things I need to stick. That's my light I need to stick in the back of my closet. And then I have on my bed, I have my purse I'll just throw in my closet, but my backpack, what I actually did when I brought it back was I stuck a bunch of really random things that I need in it. So now I gotta go through my backpack. I also somewhere in here have my toiletries, and then I gotta put my toiletries on my shelf. You can tell Mary's got her stuff on the bottom, cute little stuff, and then mine, empty. So gotta fill that up, but yeah, we're just chilling, doing our thing. It's been a little while, and I put all my cosmetics, my makeup kind of stuff in that basket on my shelf, which is nice. And then I had to do some stuff down here, put some of my stuff, my hairspray, I need to put away. Okay, we're good. But yeah, so did all that, also cleaning my desk. Sarah's here now. Sarah's hiding. Okay, so right now I'm trying to clean my desk because I'm doing a combination of unpacking / spring cleaning because it needs to be clean for me to function this week. But so I'm going through that section under my desk, and it's a mess. But I think all this is stuff I can recycle or throw away, so that's nice. And then stuff I'm gonna get rid of. But yeah, we're making progress. Right now I have this bag, and I need to put and this too. I need to put these in the attic. I kind of just need to get them out of the way so they're not in my roommate's way because this is her stuff, and then my stuff is encroaching. Hey guys, so I just finished finally doing everything. What I have done is I unpacked everything, I put things away, I reorganized my closet, I put in some snacks and stuff. I did not reorganize my sock drawer. That was an important thing I forgot to do. But now what we're doing is my friends Sarah and Ashley and we're going because Sarah and I want to look at a couple of our classes, kind of walk it out, make sure we know where to go tomorrow because it is the first day of class. And then we're gonna go get Torchy's Tacos because that's our favorite. It's my favorite, but we kind of wanted to eat out but wanted to eat cheap, and so that's a good place to go for that. But yeah, so I'm about to put on some leggings and a light jacket, and then we're gonna head out. Real quick, I wanted to show you guys my room before I head out. So the bed is clear. It's all good. That stuff over there is some of Mary's. She's still unpacking too. And so I got like AC's clear, top of the fridge is clear, like wow. Then here's my desk. It's like a little cluttery, but like it's a good kind of clutter. It's like it's my clutter, so it's fine. Put stuff away. I still have though these bags. I need to like take my suitcase up to the attic to kind of get rid of it until I can take it home. Okay, so we're on our way now to CVS because Ashley needs like some cough drops. But yeah, getting stuff done. We just went to get Torchies because we were hungry and we didn't want to eat at the dorm, so we got Torchies, and then tonight we're gonna watch The Little Women. Hey y'all, I just realized I think I need to update you about the rest of my day. Also, let me rewind. I don't know if I ever said this, but so we did end up going to walk my classes, but a lot of the buildings were closed because today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so it's like a holiday and a lot of the buildings were closed. So then we ended up going to CVS so my friend Ashley could get some cough drops because her voice was just gone. And so then we went, after that, we went to Torchy's Tacos for dinner because we needed dinner and we weren't really in the mood for what the dining hall was serving, which is rare. We usually love the food at our dorm, but yeah, so we went out and did that. Then when we got back, we watched Little Women, which was like a super fun way to like relax and chill. So I've kind of just been trying to like clean, relax, get in the right headspace. I'm actually kind of nervous for school tomorrow, which is weird because like I love school. I'm one of those people who like I love school. And I love going and making friends and doing the work, if that's weird, I don't know. But I called my mom because I was like, I'm nervous for tomorrow. And we FaceTimed for a little while. Now it's time for me to like wash my face and, you know, just like prepare, I guess. I'm gonna go to bed soon. But yeah, I've been editing this video a little bit actually. So y'all, that is my like how I start off my semester kind of situation. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you have to do to get started on a good note for your school year. And if you like this, be sure to leave a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Thumbs up, woo! And if you want, you should subscribe down below. And yeah, I hope you'll have an amazing week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!